Hi, this is Russell Stannard from teachertrainingvideos.com. I just want to tell you about the third course that is a collaboration between Teacher Training Videos and NILE, the Norwich Institute for Language Education. We've built a course that's turned out to be very popular, and I'm going to show you in a minute just some of the feedback that we've had on the course. It's called Technologies and Approaches to Blended, Hybrid and Online Teaching. And what it really tries to do is take you through some of the key technologies that are being used in the delivery of different kind of blends of learning or even fully online learning. Now, the course has also got a couple of really interesting elements. It works with an e-portfolio. So basically, each week you work through some content. There's a webinar at the beginning of each week. Then you work through some content, you do some tasks, and you add those tasks into your e-portfolio so that you've got a complete record of everything that you've done on the course, either in the group situations or even in the live sessions or sometimes individually. As I've said, the course has proved to be really popular, and what I'm going to do now is just show you on the screen some of the feedback we've had over the last 2 or 3 repetitions of the course, and then afterwards I'm actually going to talk you through a little bit the course content and actually show you what the course looks like. So this is the third collaboration between NILE and teachertrainingvideos.com, and I just want to give you a little bit of information about the course so it's really clear exactly what you're going to do, what you're going to learn and what you're going to get out of doing this course. The course is called Technologies and Approaches to Blended, Hybrid and Online Teaching, and it's important to make the point it's not only about technologies, it's also about that interface between how we use technology and how we link that into our classroom practice. Now, funny enough, Technologies and Approaches to Blended, Hybrid and Online Teaching, the acronym is TABHOT. That was a complete accident, and that's exactly how we now refer to the course. It's the TABHOT course. Just to explain how the course works in terms of the actual structure, there are 6 webinars during the course, 1 each week. Of course, they're on different topics, and then there's supporting material to go along with that webinar, and that is normally in the form of videos, and there are various activities to do. So every week there's a new webinar and then a new unit is released. The course takes 6 weeks, and then after 6 weeks there's a final week where you get the chance to go over your coursework, make sure you're happy with it, and then hand it in to be marked. So each week there's a webinar to attend, which if you can't actually attend the webinars, they're normally on a Sunday, then we do share the recordings the day after, and you can access the recording instead of attending the webinar, though of course it's much better and more engaging to attend the webinars. Then there's the content on the platform, which is normally in the form of mainly videos, but there are various activities to do, often collaborating with the other students on the course. And then, as I've said, each week there is a task to do that is added into an e-portfolio. So this e-portfolio builds up over the 6 weeks and is basically a complete record, a complete digital record of all the different activities and tasks that you've been involved in during the course. And of course, along with sharing those tasks and those activities in the e-portfolio, you have to kind of keep a diary and reflect on your experiences, what you've learned and how you could apply the many different practical ideas that you're presented with, how you might apply them in your own teaching and learning. So what makes this course special? Well, firstly, I have to say it has to be because of NILE, that's the Norwich Institute for Language Education. They have a fantastic reputation in terms of teacher training, and I think particularly in terms of online delivery, they were one of the very first organisations to get involved in the online domain, and so they've got a lot of experience when working in the delivery of online courses. The second reason I hope that the course is special is because I'm teaching on it. My name is Russell Stannard. I have won the British Council Elton's Award. I run teachertrainingvideos.com, a very popular website, and a YouTube channel that has over 77,000 subscribers, and I specialise in the use of technology in language teaching. If we were to actually look at the content of the course, I've highlighted 5 things that have continually come up in the feedback from students. First of all, they love the way that we give feedback because we give video feedback. So all the feedback throughout the course is through videos. The students find these more personal. You can provide much more information, and it's a much clearer way of providing feedback to the participants on the course. The other thing that's often highlighted is the support. Now, what we mean by that is we know that if you are doing a course and we're asking you to make a word wall or communicate it within a Padlet or record yourself doing an audio activity, maybe you haven't got experience doing those things. So what we've done is we've got videos that really help you, step-by-step videos that take you through all the processes. If we ask you to do something, there's a video there to help you. And teachers really comment on this a lot, saying how much support and how clear the course is. Another thing that often comes up is just how connected the course is. There's a really strong link between the 3 components, i.e. the live sessions, the content that's on the platform, and the assessment. They're all really interconnected, and actually that's one of the key principles about the delivery of teaching and learning that we're trying to get over. So very much we practice what we preach. What we're talking about on the course is actually what we're doing on this course ourselves. Now, this course isn't only about AI, it's about the principles behind using or delivering online classes alongside classroom teaching. But obviously at the moment AI is a really important component. There's a lot of new technologies emerging, and we have made sure this course is right up to date and includes some of the very latest AI technologies, and they will be an integral part of the course as well. The last point is the e-portfolio. I've already mentioned this, but I'm going to come back to it again because it comes up so often. Teachers find this very interesting. They've heard about e-portfolios, but they've never experienced doing one. And many teachers finish this course saying not only have they enjoyed doing the e-portfolio, but they're actually planning on using this as a form of assessment in their own teaching and learning. Hopefully that's given you a little bit of an inside view of the course, and I'm really hoping that some of you decide to join me on the next course that we're running. If you come across this video on YouTube and you are interested in the course, I'll put a link below that will direct you immediately to all the information. You can find out about when the next course is running, the prices, and other information that you might find useful. And really looking forward to seeing some of you on the course. Thank you very much.